Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Kyle Kincaid live at SEMA 2018 in the LoMax booth, and we are here alongside Seth. What's up, my friend?
Not much, just enjoying the show this year.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the show. This place is absolutely huge. We've seen so much cool stuff, and this right here is one of those products. What is this?
This is going to be the new LoMax Pro.
The new LoMax Pro. Now, we've talked in the past about these sweet covers, but man, this is a newer design that I've not seen yet, and this is a rugged, sweet-looking cover.
That's correct. It's going to be more for the contractor, for the people that are going to use their covers or their trucks for like contracting and stuff like that. You can set stuff up there, not have to worry about scratching it, anything like that. Still works the same as the original LoMax. Pretty easy to do. We can drop the tailgate and show you guys if you'd like.
Absolutely, yeah. We can go ahead and drop this right now. And talking about the LoMax, oh, see, look at that. Look at that. Man, you guys are high and damn.
Yes, we get new updated vehicles when the new models come out, so we try to have the latest and greatest vehicles here.
The latest and greatest vehicles along with the latest and greatest products here. You're talking now, we've had videos before in the LoMax, and as sweet as that is, like you said, this right here, this kind of, was it that diamond-plated cover?
Diamond-plated finish, that'd be correct, yep.
Yeah, like you said, if you're a contractor, you put any tool up here, it's not going to be scraping, it's not going to be scuffing, and honestly, this looks pretty manly too.
And that's correct. You know, it's for the rough, tugged guys that are going to be out there. Even some of the hunters that go out in the country, whatever they're hunting.
Talk about the rough, rugged man, obviously, Seth, you are. Let's use those rough, rugged muscles to flip this thing back. What do you say?
Sounds good. So underneath here, you're going to have the easy latch system. Release that. Keep folding it up. And this will be going into the store position in the front here.
Super easy, too. I mean, you're literally folding this thing back with 2 motions.
Correct. And then up here, you're going to have the storage spin. So you just clip those right into the front. And then in the back.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. Walk around here. Look at this. That's a man who believes in his product. Gets up and shows you.
Showing you the correct way.
Yeah, exactly. So he is unclipping both of these right now. And at this point, you could just remove this bad boy, right? Just like that.
Yeah, you can actually take it off whenever you got some bigger product.
That's awesome. That's super simple. So let's say you're hauling something around, maybe that, you know.
Fridge, whatever.
Right. I mean, that took you all of, what, 60 seconds to take that off? And that was at a nice leisurely pace, too.
Yep, that'd be correct. And it goes on just as easy as it comes off. So what we do, grab it, push it back in the front here.
Oh, there we go, right. Ooh. Sitting it back. Look at this.
Click, it's secured on both sides.
I'm going to time you, Seth. I got a stopwatch.
Stopwatch. There we go.
All right. Then one more flip. Boom. Nice and easy. Just like that. Now, that is the LoMax product that we talked about before in the past. Like I said, we've had those videos brand new, top on this. And this is going to be, it's actually available right now, right?
It is shipping currently right now. So, yeah, it is shipping out currently right now. Right now, our most common one's going to be the matte black finish one, but this is picking up. Sales are picking up pretty heavily on it.
It certainly got my eye when I walked by it. If you'd like to pick it up, you can do so at MidwestAftermarket.com, or as always, pick up the phone and give us a call if you have any questions. Seth, not only is he a professional speed cover putter, honor, and taker offer, also a very nice guy. SEMA 2018, we'll see you next time.